Hi, today at the Two Girls shows, we're going to perform How and Why Should
Two Girls Wear the Same Shirt.
I say hi, hi!
Stop talking to the camera!
It's a recorder!
Ow! Ouchies! Get off of this shirt! Help me! My dad will be really mad if we rip this shirt.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Ouchies! Help me! Ow!
Goodbye!
Bye.
I have to go to the emergency room now.
Me too.